Oh. Oh. Oh, look at there's like a tornado in front of us. What the heck? There's snow devils. You can barely see the trees. You want to go up to that snow mountain over there for a picture? Yeah. Caltrans, do something. Guys, subscribe if this looks cold. Thanks for subscribing. Oh, you're on your phone? And Hanson Post, he's on his phone. Yeah, those are massive. Yeah. It almost goes into the second floor of that window. I think it's kind of clean. Oh, 10% battery. We can make it. Yep, that's our car. We're gonna have to get him out. I'm Cloudy Skies. I live on Donner Summit. I did a snow dance and I accidentally summoned a blizzard. Whoops. I'll be more careful with my powers next time. Oh, look at these cars. I swear it got so much worse than like when we left like half an hour ago. Oh, that's scary. That's like not good actually. Oh. Subscribe for more dangerous missions.
Yeah, here's my. Here's my hat leg.
Oh, inside of your pants are crazy.
Alright.
Sorry, my hands are cold. Both of our hands are cold, huh?
Yeah.
Please go in. Please go in.
Oh.
What's up, guys? It's us guys. We're gonna be playing full today. Oh. How do I check what have you record? Yes.
Oh, are you recording right now?
No. Oh yeah.
Fighting for your life.
Breeze. Say hi to the camera.
Dunking away. Yeah. You gotta get down to base.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you don't need that anymore.
Oh no! That was good.
What? The speaker. Huh?
Oh, please don't lose it. Oh! Go! Oh! Ah! Come on, soldier! Go on!
No!
Good as new. We're so close. I see the end. We made it.